What truck are we gonna learn about? We're gonna go see JJ's truck? Yeah?
Mommy, all you gotta do is push it.
It's okay.
Is it on?
No, the truck, I just want the light off though. See that big red button over there? By the radio? Just push on that button. Just push it hard. You don't even have to push it hard. Just push down on it.
Is it the car red?
Like that, and then how do you dump? How do you bring the can up?
Bring the can up.
Pull it back.
And then after you dump it, what do you do? There you go.
Down. Put down. You also have a cup holder to put it there if you're not thirsty.
Show me around the cab. What else is in the cab?
Where's the radios?
The radio? It's right there, look.
What's down there?
Pedal.
Which one's which?
What one?
Where's the brake?
That one.
And where's the gas?
Right there.
Nice.
When you push the button, it comes out. When you grab the can, you have a way to put it back in and dump it.
Yeah.
Yes, I want you to do grab. Yeah, that's how you do it.
Look at this right here.
That's what grabs the can. It wraps around the can and grabs it. So the can won't slip when I dump it.
They're on the grabber arm.
Or wherever, if even if there's one in the engine, I can get out and grab it and use it.
Yeah. Yeah, but how do you get out?
How do I get it out?
Yeah.
This little thing right here. You gotta pull this little pin. And then, how do I get that? Then I just pull it out.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, but there's no fire because they're yucking it, so nobody opens it.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, if somebody opens it, if you drive, yay. I saw a guard truck I saw a front loader guard truck picking up cans, and I saw a white yay, and it packed up, and it backed up.
Was it a yellow garbage truck like mine?
No, it was the car white.
Oh, the white one?
Yeah, it was the car white. Look, there's leaves on your guard truck. There's leaves inside your guard
Yeah,
truck.
there's leaves up there. That's all from the truck.
Trash. Oh, it fell
It all fell out, and some of the leaves fell right there.
Do you remember what these are?
Yeah, these are called the flippers.
Mud flaps.
Yeah, they're all dirty.
They're all dirty. The truck's all dirty. I need to take it to the car wash, huh?
Yeah, I got brand new guard truck because my art guy was driving this guard truck with a camera. I have a camera right here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, this is a camera so I can see art cars when they're on front of me. So I can see a car.
Yeah.
Look at the steps.
Yeah.
And you know what this is?
What's that say? That says Peterbilt. That's the name of the truck.
That's the company. That's the company that made the truck.
Good job.
There.
The engine is way up there. See
The
that?
engine, yeah. Where it says it's Peterbilt too. Uh-oh. Is it starting to rain?
Yeah. Oh, it's so cool.
There you go. Show me the bumper. Yeah.
Yo, guard truck, take yours.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
It was picking up cans, but earlier I saw a blue one, and it looked like yours because it had a different grab arm, a different popper, a different back, and a...
You're welcome. You have a good day, buddy.
Wave to
See you
him.
later, okay? I'll see you next
Me
week.
too.
Bye.
Bye.
See when you come back.
You gonna watch him drive off and dump the cans?
Bye, buddy.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. He's gonna drive away.
Honk the horn.
Honk the horn.
Yeah.
Maybe he will. I don't know. Oh, you can hear the truck turning on. Oh, he honked it. Say bye, JJ. How does he do the grabber? Show me. Turn to me. Show me. Do it again. Do the grabber. Yeah. Look, can you say see you next time?